2012 Chevy Camaro V6. Still got the factory converters. This one comes with 4, 2 on each side. Then it's got a factory H pipe. Then it's got factory resonators, little baby ones. And then we put on it FLOWMASTER OUTLAWS, Super 10s, race mufflers. One on this side and one on this side. We'll let you guys, if you guys want those mufflers, you can look in the link below to get them. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute.
I guess.
It's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling